What's up everyone? I'm Landan with LMR.com. In this video, we're going to provide some simple tech information on how you can remedy a loose steering column in your Fox Mustang. A loose or flimsy feeling steering wheel is always frustrating, and other than the actual mechanical parts that make up the steering column, there are a few areas you can check to see if they're causing the issue. Now the steps I'm about to show are applicable for tilt wheel Fox Mustangs, which is 1983 to 1989 cars. First, check the attaching points underneath the dash. There will be a bracket near the firewall and then another bracket underneath the hood release cable. Now the other two bolts require a little bit of disassembly to access. You'll want to remove the upper and lower sections of the column shroud. Depending on the year of your car, these are secured with Phillips head screws, but the amount of those Phillips head screws can differ. Once the screws are removed, separate the two pieces and set them aside. On the left-hand side of the column, locate the retaining screws that secure the MultiFunction switch assembly. Loosen and remove the screws and then carefully position the assembly out of the way. Underneath this assembly are two retaining bolts. Verify that these bolts are tight. You can also remove each of these bolts, apply some blue thread locking compound, and then reinstall them. At this point, you can reassemble any component that was removed. Go ahead and verify everything is good to go, and then you're all finished. If this simple video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more Fox Mustang content, and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. And until next time, keep it right here with the real Fox enthusiasts, LMR.com.